Hey guys, how you doing today? Hope everybody's doing good. We're back here at the mini project lawn, about to do part 1 of the landscaping, and I'm going to walk you through everything that I'm doing, and we're going to see the before and after of this mini project. We're going to go ahead and we're going to remove all this section here. We're going to remove that. We're going to put in some leveling sand. We're going to put a weed barrier on top because this is all going to be landscape rocks moving forward. And then just a quick visual on how the grass is doing from the last time that I sprayed RGS and fertilizer. The grass looks like it's reacting good. It's green. It wants to grow. We're going to give this about 2 to 3 months and this is going to be pretty much filled in. What's going on, you guys? As you saw, Project Mini Lawn landscape is pretty much done. Let's review everything that we did. Sorry I'm out of breath. It's been a long day. I'll show you guys the results. All right, we got edge work done. Put down some fresh red mulch, of course, with the edges. Edges go all the way around. Stop right there. Lay it down. These are called black slate chips, in case anybody's wondering. Now I had to leave a little bit open here for the entryway, but it's leveled with everything else. Now I had to get most of the stones that don't correspond with this current stone out. I got most of it out. Some of it is still there. But, you know, you do what you could do to go above and beyond for your client. Not necessarily do you have to do that, but you know, he's a buddy of mine's. I've known him for quite some time, and I went ahead and I did most of the work for him right there. So when he gets back, he went out really quick. I'm gonna ask him to come out, see if he's willing to record his reaction. Let's see. All right, so the house owner just told me he's parking. He sent me a text, so we're gonna record his reaction. Let me move this out of the way. Nobody trips. All right.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Complete different garden. Look at this. Amazing.
Oh
It's
my God.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Dan the Lawn Man, thank you, bro. This is awesome. This
What
is
do you
amazing.
think?
We
What do you
finally have a
think?
yard.
True.
Finally,
Thank
look
you.
at this. Thank you, man.
This is
Super
amazing.
happy.
All right, so this is more or less almost the finished product. I'll have a little surprise for you coming soon,
Okay.
just as a thank you. But yeah,
It looks
work
amazing.
here is done.
Yeah.
Satisfied customer with Dan the Lawn Man. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We'll see you in the next one.